Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today is the first video of another Western hunter we're going to build, knifekits.com. This is actually the first one. I wasn't happy with the way the pinning part turned out on the video, so I got a new blade. Everyone remembers it was this one. I'd wet sanded it. After the video, I got this kit in. Now look at the shine on this. Today we'll be cutting these Zircote scales. Now we'll set the saw up and we'll get busy. Before we get started, a friend of mine wanted to put some jimping in this knife I was making. He did a good job. As always, remember, wear your respirator, eye protection, and hearing protection when you're working around saws and sanders. I've already drawn out the scales. They're really close. Something I want to show everyone. They're so close that after I get them cut, I'm going to leave just a little bit on the back because we're going to have to adjust it where the bolster is. Now we'll get started. And always check yourself as you're going. See what I was talking about? Need to trim just a little bit here. I'm going to cut the second scale off camera. Make sure everything's lined up. Then we'll be ready for part 2 of a series where we're going to attach the scales to the knife blade. Stay tuned for that video. Till then, the Bearded Sharpener. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell. You'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.